You're gonna be.
There it is. There's another Ilco key. Make sure he's adjusting, so make sure he isn't cutting too deep or way too shallow. So right now, you better have to put on your safety glasses.
Oh, heck yeah.
And remember, I like zombies. If they use this to kill zombies, the Sharpie thing to kill zombies. Yeah.
Fortunately, zombies aren't real, though. Thank goodness, huh?
Yes,
Thank
they
goodness
are made up on Minecraft.
It's just,
when you get a bad dream about those.
Oh, yeah. Do you dream about them often?
Not really. My dad does. Make sure he's not cutting too deep or too shallow. Yeah. And here it goes.
Let's see. Get these lined up just right.
Make sure it's too tight, but not over tighten.
Do you have a lot of keys?
Yeah. In fact, I have.
Wow.
But
You got a lot of keys there.
wow.
Okay, I'm gonna adjust this a little bit. We're gonna bring it down just a tiny bit.
Make sure he's not cutting deep or too shallow.
Yeah, you gotta cut just right.
Yeah, but because the first time it doesn't work just right. These objects spin like this.
Very fast.
Kind of loud.
Yeah, definitely is. I'm gonna cut it on the shallow side. What do you think of that? Maybe a little deeper? Now we'll try that first. We can always go over it again. Take it down a bit deeper.
You only have to turn the one you're cutting. You told me not the original because it's the same on both sides.
Absolutely, it totally is.
The same on both sides.
Yeah, it makes it a little easier to do.
Remember that sound? What do you think it sounds
I don't know. It sounds like a saw cutting metal.
like? Saw cutting metal?
Yes, a little saw blade cutting some metal. That's what it sounds like.
Well, the first time you didn't know that.
Yeah, it's...
Ooh! You just take off what we cut and make it nice, soft, smooth, and not wacky.
Yep.
Are you ready with it?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's. It has a belt on it.
It does. That's how it makes the wheel turn. It's got
And
one motor
spin.
in there.
Woohoo!
Okay, you want to try it?
And the number is TR47.
Want to try it on the door?
And the ignition too in the trunk. And here we go. It's kind of wet outside.
What happens when you lose it? Do you wait for Mom?
Waiting for my mom.
Okay. He's going to try it. No good?
It's fine.
We can take it down a bit more. Oh, it's working, huh? Okay. I might have to take it down a tiny bit more. Did it work okay on the door?
It worked. Yep, it did.
Okay, what about the ignition?
Let's give the ignition a try. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It worked. Not a bad key at all.
Good. All right.
It was tested on a 2005 Toyota Camry LE.
Nice. I used to have Camry.
A while ago?
Long time ago.
Yeah. Alrighty, I'm going to shut the video down, so don't forget to subscribe and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.